Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be working with the Sparx sharpener again. This time I'm going to show you how to sharpen goalie skates. So this will work with any goalie skates. Right now I'm sharpening with my son's skates, but they also work with mine, which are quite a bit bigger. So the way you're going to do it is you're going to do it just like you would any other skate. First of all, make sure your unit's powered on and you have the window open. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take these two goalie riser alignments. That's if your goalie skates have a cowling like this one, and you're going to snap these into place. I'll give you a better look here. All right, so we're looking down on the unit right now, and you see it has these little holes in the tabs. Those align with these on the goalie riser attachment. So you're just going to stick those down in there, and they'll snap into place just like that. And you'll put both of them in just like that. All right, now once we have the risers attached, both of them, you'll just press down on the left-hand lever, insert the goalie skate approximately centered, and close the door so that they contact the skate. Next thing you want to do is adjust the grinding wheel height. All right, you're going to press this button here, and that'll move the grinding wheel by pressing the right and left levers to determine your correct contact point. And that's where I want to contact. Once you do that, just hit the button again, and it'll return the wheel back to the home position. Now that we have our ring aligned, you're just going to hit the play button and allow the Sparx sharpener to sharpen. All right, just like that, we've sharpened our goalie skate. So now what I like to do is I like to deburr the blade. So I just grab a little deburr. And these are coated blades. And we'll just get off any burrs. Now that we've done that, we want to check our edge. So with the front of the skate facing you, you'll take this Sparx alignment checker, or this blade checker. And I usually put it on the back third of the blade to start out with. You'll set this down on the blade, and it'll tell you if you're aligned. You want to be in this green zone right there, just like that. So we've successfully sharpened that part of the blade. I like to check the blades in 3 spots. Once in the back third, once in the middle third, and once in the front third to see if we're still on track. Maybe we have a warped blade or something. Especially the front of the blade for goalie skates. As a goalie, you use the front of your blade a lot more than maybe a player would. Yep, there we go, and we're aligned. So now all I do is I usually I'll take some silicone lubricant and I'll put it on a shop towel. And I'll just wipe it down just as a rust preventative and to kind of get any of the grinding dust and burrs off. Anything that's left on the blade. Now we'll set that blade aside and we'll do the second one just like we did the first. Again, we'll press down the left lever, approximately center the blade, press the guards to the blade, and press play. Now I like to go, the default is 4 repetitions of sharpening. I kept with that. It seems to work for us, and I sharpen these skates about once a week. If the kids have a tournament, I might sharpen them a little bit more frequently. And if after they've been sitting a while, I might give them a sharpen in case there's any rust or anything that forms on them. But we tend to take pretty good care of the skates. All right, and we're done. Now keep in mind, I sharpen these skates with the steel on the skate, but you could just as easily remove the steel and use one of these to sharpen it without the steel. This works for goalie skates or player skates. And it just snaps in there. And then you can just put that down in there. And sharpen it just as you would. It marks the toe and the heel. And you can sharpen it just as you would any normal skate. I do want to show you something here. And if you're interested in this, I can do a video on it. But I did 3D print. You know I like 3D printing on this channel. But I did make this caddy for holding all the Sparx tools. And it holds everything together, and that way I keep this out in my workshop for the winter at least when the kids are playing. It holds your grinding rings, it'll hold your deburring, your leather hones, your stones, your alignment tool. It even holds the blade holder. So anyway, if you're interested in seeing how I printed this, I'll do a video here in the future on that one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I really love the Sparx sharpener. Again, with 6 kids, 4 of them playing hockey, plus we live in Minnesota, so we play a lot of pond hockey. It's great for keeping skates sharp and keeping the kids competitive without having to wait or pay for skate sharpening. It's almost paid for itself. I'm in part of the way through my 2nd season of using this and really like it. It's really convenient to have. So I'll continue to post some more Sparx videos if you're interested in seeing it. And as always, I'll post links to all these things down below. They're Amazon affiliate links. It really helps the channel if you click on it and take a look at it. So anyway, if you have any questions, post them in the comments. I try to answer every comment, and I'll try to answer yours. As always, thanks for watching.